The EcoTools Fresh Perfecting Blender provides heavy coverage for a full-faced makeup look. Set makes a great gift for women, teens, or someone special. The EcoTools Fresh Perfecting Blender is infused with a silver to keep your sponge cleaner, fresher, for longer. Use the sponge either wet or dry for versatile looks. Look and live beautifully with the unique EcoFoam technology made of 70% plant-based materials. Blender Sponges has a unique 3-edge design. Flat surface to apply product on large surface areas, round base to seamlessly blend lines, and wedge-like tip to guide precise straight lines. Best used with liquid or cream foundations for great results. Blenders are designed for buildable, heavy coverage to last you all day long. Top reviews from the United States. Nice. Great deal for $awesome gift or stocking stuffer. So cute. Super cute Christmas ornament or decoration for bedrooms, dorm rooms, apartments, or whatever you like. Such a cute idea to hold beauty products, and the beauty sponge is a must-have for every woman.